Alright, well, finally made it back over here. Had all that rain, and before that was freezing, Arctic weather. It's been a mess, but so we got a bunch of mud. Come over here, and the tank done started holding water. I went ahead and yanked it out of there. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw some of this mud back in the hole, and I think I'm gonna move the tank back over this way. Got our pipe coming out. I can just go right straight over to the front of the tank over there, and then I can take my outlet, go down towards the leach field. So that's the plan. Well, it's a big old rock next to the house. It's gonna make it hard to put a tank in the ground there. Well, let me see if I can come back a little bit further. Well, it don't seem like it ain't nothing but rock down here. Well, if it ain't nothing but rock, it's gonna make it kind of hard to put a tank in the ground here. Tearing up all kinds of roots on this tree. This tree ain't real healthy to begin with. There's rock all over. Yeah, I don't know if we're gonna get a hole in the ground or not. Yeah, it looks like a pretty good size one. I guess I need to see if I can get down there and check the depth on this and see how deep she is. Well, she's deep enough, just barely. I mean, just barely. Yeah, this is getting interesting. I'll figure out how I'm gonna get this tank to lay in here. Pipe coming out there. I might have to put it in here perpendicular to the way I'm sitting. I was hoping to have where I got the hole at now to be the inlet side of the tank and put the outlet side down there farthest away from us. But around this layer of rock right there, that kind of ruined those plans. It'd never be easy. Well, that ain't gonna give me much room to get my pipe going into the tank. What a cluster. There's another rock. Liable to have this whole yard dug up by the time we get around all these rocks. There we go. That's another good sized rock. Stupid tree in my way there. There is a reason why there's a place in Tennessee called Rocky Top. I'm here to tell you. Might not be in Rocky Top, but it sure fits the description. Well, that's the only thing I got going for me is that rock layer I done ran into is just about on grade. About I think it's close enough I can make it work. I hadn't found no cracks and crevices in it. I think it's solid bedrock. That limb's gonna end up tearing my hose up. I'm gonna take that whole branch down. By golly, George. Get out of the way. Much better. I got this stupid swing out here on my mirror. On it. Well, I think I might be getting pretty close to having us a hole cut in here. Let's see what the measurements look like. Well, let me go see what she's looking like. See if we got a big enough hole to drop a tank in, or deep enough. Hang on, swing right here, keep getting me. All right, that's it. That's the thing's going. Alright, now maybe I can get something done. Yep, there's another rock. Glad he wouldn't want in the basement dug. It's hard on bucket pins. That might work if I can get a level. This end right here is a little bit high. It's a tight squeeze. Alright, let's see if we can get this tank picked up here. And double check it, make sure it's facing the right way. Have to get down in there and have to spin it 360. Kind of tight when I get back there if you ain't noticed. See if I can walk under this power line without taking it out. And there she is, she's in the hole. Need to come back this way just a little bit. It looks halfway decent. We'll get down there and double check it. I think I'm gonna bring the other machine over here and throw some of this dirt in the hole and use this one to compact it. I'll try that and see how that works. Alright, I've got her all hooked up, plumbed up, and thing to do now is have to let them come inspect it and throw some dirt back on top of it. We'll probably see if he wants to get some risers. That way he don't have to worry about digging the tank back up when he needs it serviced. But well, that's it for now. Like I said, I gotta get the inspection, then I'll come back and cover it up. So, all right, well, got my inspection. Everything's turned out great. Got approval to put some risers on here. That way you always know where the tank is and be likely to drive over it. So I'm gonna throw these risers on there real quick and throw some dirt in the hole, and that'll be done for this one. So I'm gonna get these risers on here and we'll throw some dirt in there. Be done with it. All right, let's get over here and throw some dirt in the hole. I'm gonna just backfill with the skid steer, but I think I don't want to throw too much dirt on these pipes all at one time. I want to be able to sprinkle some in there, so I'm gonna get it pushed in there initially with the Trico, and then I'll come back with skid steer and slick her up a little better. And I don't want no rock in there, not on my pipe. Got one there. Yeah, see, like those rocks right there, one of the reasons why I didn't want to do this with skid steer. They don't have enough control over it. Of course, I'm fixing to hit it with the daggone bucket. But of course, if I can keep from hitting it with the bucket, then you'll probably be just fine. Of course, it'd be a lot nicer if everything was super dry. It's not. Conditions are never perfect, so if you're waiting on perfect conditions, you'll never get anything done. Like that right there, still mud. And we got rain coming tonight, so it ain't gonna get no drier. It's kind of like go time right now. Go ahead and get this put in the ground. Now I'll probably jump down there in the ditch and hand pack out a little bit around the pipes before I go getting too crazy with it. Right now, it's probably not much under it. Bust up some of these dirt clobs. Alright, get out there and pack that down a little bit. Pack it in there a little bit. I don't want to get too carried away with it. I'm breaking my pipes. I want to make sure I try to get some of this good clay around that tank. That way it ain't too soft. If somebody does drive on it, it ain't just topsoil and mud. That way it'll hold it a little bit. Alright, well, let me finish filling some dirt, throwing some dirt in the hole. Well, there she is. It's all slicked up. Tank's in the ground. Just gotta get this rock out of here and get the machine out of here. And it's starting to rain now, so I'm gonna get the heck out of here while the getting's good. Yeah, if y'all don't mind, do me a favor, hit that like button and subscribe if you hadn't already. Comment, and thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.